this tutorial, we're going to show you how to update the firmware for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4303 FTW printer. This firmware update will be done via the control panel of the printer. Let's begin. So from the control panel, go to Menu, scroll to Tools, select Tools, select Maintenance, select Firmware. You can see there is a new firmware available. Let's select Update. Tap on Continue. The firmware update is complete. So this is how you download and update the firmware for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4303 FTW printer via the control panel.